Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dream Germany. In the previous lesson you have learnt some important action verbs in German with examples. And, in this lesson you will learn German verb conjugation in present tense with examples. So let's begin. Lektion 17. Noch einmal. Lektion 17. Regular German verbs, also known as weak verbs, are verbs that follow predictable conjugation patterns in the present tense. Most German verbs are regular. Conjugation patterns. Tips. S1010. This is a simple method of learning German verb conjugation in present tense. To conjugate a regular verb in the present tense, you typically remove the n or n ending from the infinitive form and add the appropriate ending for each person. Here is the table of verb conjugation. In German verb conjugation, there are 6 persons considered. These represent the first, second, and third persons, both singular and plural, with the addition of a formal u in the plural. When conjugating a verb, you choose the appropriate ending based on the person you are referring to. Beispiele. Ich lerne. Du lernst. Sie es lernt. Wir lernen. Ihr lernt. Sie lernen. Ich mache. Du machst. Sie es macht. Wir machen. Ihr macht. Sie machen. Ich spiele. Du spielst. Sie es spielt. Wir spielen. Ihr spielt. Sie spielen. Ich wohne. Du wohnst. Sie es wohnt. Wir wohnen. Ihr wohnt. Sie wohnen. Here are some common A1 regular verbs. Please try these verbs. Arbeiten. Hören. Kaufen. Machen.
Spielen. Wohnen. Lernen. Brauchen. Fragen. Warten.
Key points. Infinitive. The infinitive is the base form of the verb. Verb stem. To find the verb stem, remove the in ending from the infinitive. For example, for lernen, the stem is learn. Stem changing verbs. Many verbs change their stem vowel in the present tense for the do and es forms. Common patterns include e change to ie, e change to I, a change to o. These changes need to be memorized, as there isn't a strict rule for all verbs. Present tense endings. You'll need to learn the personal endings for each pronoun and apply them to the verb stem.
Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.